Good morning, students. So, we were discussing the chapter of factors and multiples. The next topic in this chapter is common factors. A number which is a factor of two or more than two numbers is called a common factor. For example, if I find the factors of 12, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Similarly, if I find the factors of 16, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now what we have noticed here is 1 is the factor which is occurring in both of them, 12 and 16. 2 is also a number which is occurring in both of them. And 4 is also again a number which is occurring in both of them. It means these three numbers 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors which are occurring in both of these factors. So what we can say that these are the common factors. Common means that is occurring in both of them. So 1, 2 and 4. These are the common factors of 12 and 16. Next is co-prime numbers. Two numbers having only one as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. For example, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now what we have observed is only 1 is the number which is common to both of them. No other factor is occurring in both of them. It means 1 is the only common factor of both 4 and 15. Such numbers which have only 1 as the common factor are known as co-prime numbers. So we can say 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Now one thing to note here is two prime numbers are always co-prime, but two co-prime numbers need not to be always prime numbers. For example, 2 and 3 are prime numbers and they have 1 as the common factor. So they are co-prime, but here we have taken the example of 4 and 15. They are co-prime numbers, but 4 and 15 are composite numbers. They are not prime numbers. So two co-prime numbers need not always to be prime numbers. Now next is common multiple. A number that is a multiple of two or more numbers is called a common multiple. For example, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. So what we have observed here is the common multiples of 3 and 4 are, now the first common multiple is this 12. So the first common multiple is 12. Next is 24, which is occurring in both of them. Next is 36. So what we can see from here that there are some numbers which are the multiples of both 3 and 4. So these are known as the common multiples. So we can say the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36 and so on. We can find so many common multiples like this. Next are the questions based on these concepts. First question is find the common factors of 55 and 65. What we will do? We will write the factors of 55 and then we will write the factors of 65. Then we will see what are the common factors of both of them. So let us write the factors of 55. These are 1, 5, 11 and 55. Factors of 65 are 1, 5, 13 and 65. So what we noticed here, 1 is occurring in both of them. So 1 is the common factor. 5 is also in both of them. It means 5 is also the common factor. No other number is occurring in both of them. It means the common factors of 55 and 65 are 1 and 5. Next question is find the common factors of 3, 30 and 60. So let us find firstly the factors of 3. These are 1 and 3. Next, factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Next, The factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 20, 30 and 60. Now we will see what are the numbers which occurring in all the three of them. 1 is the number which occurs in all of them. So 1 is the common factor. Next, 3 is the number which occurs in all the three. It means 1 and 3 are the common factors of 3, 30 and 60. Next question is, find the first 4 common multiples of 5 and 6. So let us write the multiples of 5. These are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. I am going to write it till 120. Next, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and so on till 120. So from both of them what I have observed is the first 4 common multiples are 30, 60, 90 and 120. Next question is, check whether 14 and 52 are co-prime or not. So firstly let us write the factors of 14 and then factors of 52. Then we will check, are we having more than one common factor or not. So let us write the factors of 14. These are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Similarly, factors of 52 are 1, 2, 4, 13, 26 and 52. Now let us find the common factors of 14 and 52. These are 1, which is occurring in both of them. 2 is also the number which occurs in both of them. It means 1 and 2 are the common factors. No other number is repeating in both of them. So we will say these 14 and 52 are not co-prime because we have 2 also as the common factor. Next question is, check whether 24 and 29 are co-prime or not. Now factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Similarly, factors of 29 are 1 and 29. Now let us find the common factors of 24 and 29. 1 is the number which occurs in both of them. Now no other number is there which occurs in both of them. It means they have only 1 as the common factor. So we will say 24 and 29 are co-prime numbers. Now your home assignment is question number 1. Write common multiples of 8 and 12 which are less than 50. Second question is, check whether 17 and 68 are co-prime or not. Thank you. Have a nice day.